Hello friends, today I am unboxing Redmi Watch 5, which have a 2.07-inch AMOLED display with always on mode, which has an eSIM version that lets wearers make and attend voice call. The Redmi Watch 5 supports customized watch faces and combs with 5 ATM water resistance. It provides heart rate monitoring and supports over 150 sports modes. The Redmi Watch 5 has a 550 mAh battery inside that is claimed to last up to 24 days on a single charge. It runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 interface. Xiaomi is promising up to 12 days of battery life with always on display mode. The new wearable is compatible with devices running on Android 8.0 and later on iOS 12.0 and later. The Redmi Watch 5 is priced around Rs 9,000 in India and it is available in titanium color. Both variants are currently available for purchase in the world.